Welcome to my caliente kitchen. Today we're not cooking, but no worries, I have a caliente topic, something special for you, a guide on how to choose high protein in fast food restaurants for your weight loss. With my 20 years of experience helping people successfully lose weight and maintaining their weight loss, understand that cooking every day is impossible. People travel for work, vacations, or just simply busy. So my clients tell me they go to fast food at least 1 to 2 times per week. So here I'm going to show you what to choose on some fast food restaurants so you can have your high protein meal and continue losing weight successfully. The big picture, the key is to meet your 30 grams of protein. Calorie wise, don't push it over 700 men. Women 600 calories, and also pile on veggies because of the fiber. Remember, protein and fiber are your best friends for weight loss. I am not here to dictate your order. I am here to take you on a tour to some fast food restaurants so you can choose wisely. Our first stop, Chipotle. Now here you can craft a beautiful bowl high in protein that is low in calories. That's your goal. So you can ask for a salad, you can ask for more veggies on the salad, and I can tell you that probably you're not gonna get enough protein, so you might order double the protein. When I go to Chipotle, my order is a bowl of rice and beans. I'm always watching the lady, and she is about to put the second scoop of rice and beans. I say, stop! So sometimes I scare her. So that means each of those scoops is 1 cup, by the way. So then I add extra grilled beef, lots of salsa, pico de gallo, lettuce, and a little bit of avocado on top. Beautiful and delicious. Our third stop, El Pollo Loco. All right, this place is great because the king here is the pollo, the chicken. Now, the dark meat, white meat, just take the skin out. I know, you love the skin, but that's where the calories are. You can accompany the dark meat and white meat with a salad. And if you want some carbohydrates, we'll throw in some beans. They have the best pinto bean. Stop number 3, Subway. Yes, Subway. I find that actually many times have saved my life at airports. So I order a 6-inch sandwich loaded with turkey for me, definitely double the meat. And then I add pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, all veggies, and mustard. That is so satisfying. You get your protein with my favorite, Panda Express. Yes, that's something I used to go in airports. Now I actually find every city I go, where's my Panda? So, Panda Express, easy. So, a lot of the goodies are fried, deep fried and breaded. But they also have goodies that are not like that. For example, what I order in Panda Express is teriyaki chicken with little sauce and broccoli and beef. I know they offer the fried rice and the chow mein, but I go for the brown rice. Well, sometimes I put a little chow mein. In-N-Out burger. Oh my God, I almost died because it was so delicious. Now, I'm not afraid of bread, but this session is about protein. So I ordered the double protein burger, no cheese to lower the calories. I keep the secret sauce because that's where you go there for the secret sauce, and I wrap it with lettuce. Quite nice. Last but not least, Mixed, the haven of high protein salads. I love this place because I actually use it with my clients. They have a feature where you can actually build your own bowl and know exactly your nutritional values. Absolutely great. So normally, I tell my clients to watch the fat because they love those nuts and seeds and feta cheese and Parmesan cheese and roasted vegetables. Remember, they come with oil, and to top it on, salad dressing. So I normally recommend not to choose more than 2 fat options. Now go grill lean meats like chicken, beef, or fish. And also when it comes to carbohydrates, keep it to no more than 1 cup. Some carbohydrates can actually go towards your protein total, like quinoa and beans. Now, if you have added nuts and feta and some other stuff, you may not need to add salad dressing because those already give the flavor to the salad. So keep it to balsamic vinegar and lemon juice. And that concludes our fast food restaurant tour. Obviously, there's more places out there, but you can apply these principles to your fast food restaurant that you go to. Keep in mind, for weight loss, it's all about protein, balance, portion control, and mindful eating. Seeing my videos and like what you see, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss this tasty information. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.